Ever wonder how robots could learn complex tasks just by watching humans? Imagine a robot watching a video of someone pouring coffee, then replicating that motion perfectly. No pre-programmed instructions, no trial and error. That's the future of robot learning, and today we're diving into a breakthrough that's making it possible. The challenge: teaching robots to understand human actions from videos. Current methods struggle because they rely on shaky assumptions. Think of it like trying to learn dance moves from blurry photos. There's just too much missing. Existing techniques use things like pixel flow or 3D point clouds, but they're either too noisy, too limited, or require perfect data that's hard to get. Enter object-centric 3D motion fields, a game-changing approach. Here's the idea. Instead of guessing what's happening in a video, we create a detailed map of how objects move in 3D space. It's like giving the robot a GPS for every object in the scene. This map captures not just where things are, but how they're moving down to the tiniest detail. How does it work? The researchers trained a system to denoise shaky depth data from videos. Imagine watching a video where the camera's depth sensor is glitching. This system fixes that mess, reconstructing accurate 3D motion. Then it uses that cleaned-up data to teach robots how to perform tasks. No need for perfect 3D models or expensive sensors, just regular RGBD videos, like the ones from your phone's camera. The results? This method cuts 3D motion errors by over 50% compared to previous techniques. In real-world tests, robots using this approach succeeded in 55% of complex tasks where others failed, like inserting a cup into a slot or manipulating tools with precision. And here's the kicker. The robot learned only from human videos, no robot-collected data required. Why does this matter? It's a big step toward robots learning from the world's vast library of human videos. No more relying on expensive, controlled environments. Just grab a video and boom, your robot's learning. This could revolutionize everything from household assistants to industrial automation. So next time you watch a video, remember, it's not just entertainment. It's a treasure trove of knowledge for the robots of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI and robotics. Let's break it down. To estimate 3D motion, researchers often use depth sensors and pixel trackers. Imagine two video frames. The first shows an object, the second shows where it moved. By matching pixels between the frames and using depth data, you can calculate the object's 3D movement. But here's the catch. Real-world sensors are far from perfect. Depth cameras struggle with lighting, and trackers can get confused, especially at object edges. This leads to noisy motion estimates, like trying to follow a moving car with a camera that occasionally loses track of its tail lights. This is where the direct approach hits a wall. It relies on perfect data, which we don't have. Missing depth values, random noise, and tracking errors create a messy picture. Even the best algorithms can't fully fix this with simple rules. That's why object-centric 3D motion fields are a leap forward. They don't just track pixels. They model the physical dynamics of objects, filtering out the noise and capturing the true motion. This isn't just a technical win, it's a paradigm shift. By leveraging human-centric video data, robots can now learn from the unstructured, chaotic world we live in. The implications: imagine a future where a robot learns to assemble furniture by watching YouTube tutorials, or a surgical assistant masters techniques by analyzing real-world procedures. The barrier between human expertise and machine execution is crumbling. So the next time you stream a video, consider this. You're not just consuming content. You're contributing to the training data of tomorrow's intelligent systems. The road to autonomous machines isn't paved with code alone. It's built on the raw, unfiltered richness of human experience. Stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.